What's up, folks? My name is Detroit Miracle, and I feel like the king of nature out here. Yeah, look at all of this. Let me give you an aerial view. We have all of this fresh, clean air, beautiful sunshine, and glorious nature surrounding. Let me give you an aerial. Sky high, folks. How did you like that? Well, folks, I take great appreciation in nature and the outdoors because it is so vastly and spacious and provided to me. Hey, it's provided to all of you too. You need only recognize that. With that being said, I feel it best that I preserve my right to be on the outside in order to gain much pleasure from all of this. So I make the right choices and decisions that I need to make in order to preserve my freedom. I feel as though many of you should think the same and feel the same. Look, there are too many people locked up in prisons and other types of institutions that needn't be there, that should not have made the choice that they made, which got them in there. And look at what they lost by being on the indoors. Yeah, people, that's the thing with freedom. You're born with it, depending on the circumstances in your life, but you have to work to preserve that freedom. It isn't necessarily given to you where you are allowed to do whatever you want to whenever you want, because there are consequences to some of your wrong actions. I'm not trying to say as far as morally indecent or morally incorrect, but rather criminally incorrect and criminally wrong in a lawful way or unlawful way, if I am to get technical. Look at that high view again. Let me go around. Yeah, people, it is so beautiful and magnificent. The beauty of it is for everybody, rich or poor. Yeah, folks, you don't need a lot of money to get on the outdoors and appreciate all of this wonderful surround. Yeah, I know some people would say, but buddy, it takes money to eat and buy nice things. I know it does, but that is another story. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this message video / scenery tour on the outdoors. Please give me those likes, comments, and up those subscriptions to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.